Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and today we are going to try to do an update video on the palette that I got. So it was a lot more work than what I thought it would be, and I spent the last couple of days, say Sunday, I got it on Thursday, and so I'm going to try to do what I can to quickly kind of show you roughly what I got out of it. I've already sold a few items out of it. I've listed probably about 12 items so far out of it. It looks like, from what I can count, I have roughly 200 sellable units out of here. There were quite a few things I did have to throw away, of course. Probably would have been close to 250 plus units, but there's quite a bit of stuff I have to throw away and get rid of. And so I'm going to try to see if my camera will let me flip this around. Oh, I always forget to do this. If you're new here, my name is Christy. I am a part-time reseller on eBay and Mercari for the most part. I do a few items here and there on Poshmark. Nothing on Facebook or anything like that. You can kind of see that's all my plush that needs to be listed. That's all my stuff over there that is listed. My room's a total mess. But so today, yes, we are going to update on the palette that I received. If you didn't watch that video, the last video that I did post was of the palette. I'm getting some of the stuff out of it to show you guys, but it was just way too much trying to hold one hand and show you guys everything that I got. I've got it halfway organized, so I'm going to try to see if my phone will let me turn the video around, and I will try to give you guys a quick glimpse of what I've got. Alright, let's see if this will work. Ooh, it worked. Alright guys, so here we go. So see, more mess. Garage sale stuff, stuffed animal stuff, listed stuff, just random stuff. So here we go. So stuff that's in this tote right here, stuff I've already got listed. And then these two things here have already sold. So this is a Adidas jersey, sold that for $49. This is a very pretty needle and thread dress that I sold for $175. That surprised the heck out of me. This is all the men's stuff. This is a big giant camo parka. There's some hats here, a bunch of socks here, some undies, some kids' shirts. Let's see. This here is a pile of sweatshirts. That's more jerseys and shirts. Those are pants. Alright, something I will show you guys that I didn't know, if I can find it. Let's see. So there is a brand that I found called Avadia and Sons, and those sell for very good. Oh, I got a bunch of these. So I got 7 of these Suitmeister suits for men for the holidays. I got 3 of them that were XL and 4 that were 2XL. And then these are just a whole bunch of women's blouses from Shein for the most part. So not good on that. Some more women's socks. This is all the odds and ends stuff that I don't know what to do. Some are like magnetic bracelets. Some are like baking pans. Some tumbler cups. Let's see. This is pretty decent. This horse exercise blanket. That should sell pretty well here on local if I can. An Eddie Bauer tote. Whole bunch of Under Armour masks, some Betty Boop masks, and unfortunately there wasn't any more of this stuff here. But it's a very Victoria's Secret sports bras, some Gymshark leggings, 1 pair of Lululemon leggings, something else by Gymshark that I haven't opened yet. Let's see. This is all like the women's pants. Or no, this is Vans women's crop top. This is an Imagine Dragons sweatshirt. Some Victoria's Secret pajama pants. Some ASOS. I don't know if that's I think it's a skirt or a pair of shorts button front. Then just a bunch of other pants. Here is, let's see. Who is this by? Let's see, I think it's Zara. Yeah, Zara high-rise skinny jeans. And then some Flying Monkey jeans. Some other sweatshirt shirts. Here are all the sweaters. So there's an Aerie sweater, an American Eagle sweater. Very pretty. Let's see. This, I do not know. The bag just broke all up on my... Oh, actually, that's something that I cannot sell. So that will go into that pile over there. So then we got a Benin sweater. This here called Black Pharaoh, which I don't even know what that is yet. It's really big. A Talbot sweater. Let's see, something else that I don't know. Another Imagine Dragons sweatshirt. Forever 21. Just like a... It's a jacket. It's like a really big jacket. Another sweater brand that I don't know called Honey You or Honey Yak. Yeah, Honey Yak. Designed in Korea. Then we got this Redhead brand company, like a big huge sweater jacket. Then a Land's End sweater. And then the shoes. So I ended up getting 3 pairs of these moon boots. They go for anywhere between $70 and $100 on eBay. Then I got these Nike sandals. These ones here didn't have any of the matches. Another pair of Nike triple white Nike Air. Let's see, some of these, this I never heard of. Mutlux, the boot that works. This is a couple pair of women's sandals. This is Velcome sandals. A couple more pairs of Nikes. Yeah, those Nikes over there. This box does not like to open for me, guys. So those pair of real nice Nikes. Some more Nike and Champion sandals. And then some of the household stuff. So these are actually, I found 2 of these. These are in the video that I showed. Made a booty of myself because I did not know what this was. So it's just kind of a filter for trucks that go for about $15-20. These are some white marble coasters. I think there's 3 or 4 packages of those. They go for about $15 to $20. Let's see, some towels, house towels, some silicone baking dishes. There's like 5 or 6 of those. Some of these claws for like shredding meat when you do barbecue. And then this like, oh gosh, what is it? Like one of those like pan, those things you, if you have an apartment, you can plug in like a hot pan or whatever. This is all the doggy stuff. So I got a whole bunch of these like I think they're not collars, but like leashes. There might be leashes or there might be collars. I got 3 of these really cute Sassy Wolf harnesses. And then this is the one thing that I got a whole bunch of, and I do not know anything about these. These are all records that were in here, and I think they're like Mexican or Spanish type records. So we got Hugo Blanco. We got this woman here. She's like naked. We got this one here, which is all signed. So I'm gonna have to look that up and see if that's worth anything. And there's this one here, still wrapped in the plastic. This one here. This one. And then this one with another one with a naked woman. And then we got these, a whole bunch of these Wilson, like street hockey ball things. So I don't know. Probably lot those up together and sell those. So yeah. That is everything that I got. I will probably do a what sold video tomorrow and see what else. I know I'm showing you guys a total mess. So that so far is my inventory system. So that's all my shoes from my first pallet that haven't sold yet, and I've already doubled my money. Then the lettered bins have all the clothes that I have listed. The numbered ones are all my plush that I already have listed. And so yeah, that's everything. So that's just a quick update for this weekend. And I will let you guys all go. And if you want to keep updated on how I'm doing, it's probably going to take me a long time to list all of this with me doing everything part-time. So yeah, keep you guys updated, and I will talk to you guys later, and have a great weekend. If you like this kind of content or like some more update videos on this palette, please let me know. Leave me a like, a comment, subscribe if you are new. I would really appreciate it. Try to build the channel. I'm going to try to do more palettes. I actually like these better than thrifting. It's a lot easier to just go get a whole entire palette of 200 items than to search in a store for hours for 200 items. So I'm going to see if I can start doing that from now on. And yeah, have a great weekend. Talk to you guys all later, and bye.